Hey guys, welcome back to another episode JackOff-Grid. In this episode, we travel from Suratani to Krabi. I stayed in Suratani for a few days. I needed to relax a little bit, as I said in the previous videos. I was in Kopangan, as you saw, for a second time. That went better than expected, much better than the first time there. And then I was thinking about hitting karst or Krabi, but yeah, I took the decision to hit Krabi for my last week. I wanted to see the mast places, you know. It's my first time in Thailand, so I had to see some of the masts. And I like the beach, you know. I'm a beach boy. So yeah, in this episode we are going to be on kayak for a long time. It was a fun day, and also you will see some hiking. Yeah, I hiked to an amazing mountain with great views. This video will be in two parts. It's the last episodes for my time in Thailand, so it will be the closure. So I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think in the comments.
Oi.
What the hell? Guys! Get out of that shit! Okay. We're stuck!
No, we will get unstuck. Don't worry.
I don't know how we should to be honest.
Wait.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Wait.
It's so bad, we're already behind. Oh, I think that's it. No, we're not. Guys, we need a bit of help. We're stuck. We're stuck. Do you see it?
No.
This is not happening.
No, you're gonna get stuck too. Fuck it.
I don't get it.
We might need to dive. I think we're unstuck. No.
That's so bad.
We're getting us out. Wait. What the fuck is there? Where are we?
Sorry, we don't want to.
Okay, I might need to dive or something.
I don't know. Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we good. That was
Good? Yeah. Go right. No, not back to the same place. Where are you going? Back. Left, right now, right. Be careful of the rock here, you see it? You need to be mindful of that because you're in the front, and we need to avoid the... Go to the right a bit, yeah. Away. Oh.
Are you traveling on this?
Yeah, I was thinking of going Vietnam or somewhere else, but...
Yeah, like, are you...
Whoa! Fuck.
Okay,
No, wait. We're at the really bad spot.
okay, but not on the right. Okay, not
Go the other way. Go that way.
here. Oh my god.
Okay, we made it. Oh,
Are you working Greece or?
I have my own business,
Oh,
so I work in the summer only.
okay.
It's seasonal.
Okay. What are you doing this summer?
Tours like this. I take people to places south, the biggest island, Crete.
Yeah.
You know, you've been to Greece?
Yeah. That's the first.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
But now it's winter, so
Yeah.
I'm here. Let's go a bit right. Go to the right. Oh, yeah. It's nice here, huh? I came to train mostly, but then I had an extra month to explore, so yeah, I stayed in a place for 1 month training and then 1 more month traveling around, and now 2 more weeks, my last weeks, so I have 1 week now left. Yeah, I'm staying in Krabi for a week, and then 1 night in Bangkok. So,
Not again.
no,
I didn't say that, I promise.
I'm talking to you. I'm getting you distracted. What about you? What do you do?
Right now I'm an exchange student in Japan.
Oh, Japan, nice.
Yeah, okay, let's go right.
I want to go. My friends are in Japan. They just called me yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, they're.
No.
Yeah,
The yen is weak right now.
yeah. That would be a nice. But I'll have to go next year because now
Yeah.
I've been traveling for a long time. I need to go back and prepare. It's soon. It's summer season back home, so soon it's gonna be summer back home. So. Sorry? Yeah, April, May. Hello? Say what? Smoke? Okay. Yeah, our season has become the longest, like in my island.
I think we're stuck.
Probably.
Are you guys stuck?
We get now. I think so.
Okay. We're doing the same. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm just going to take a quick photo. I'm sorry.
I'm going blind, huh?
No!
Oh, oh, shit.
No! There we go.
Okay,
no, I think
okay.
it's done.
We're good. Focus.
Oh my god, we almost got a second time. Okay, let me
Focus.
take a quick photo.
Hello guys. Where we win,
Okay, thanks. Oh, guys,
Oi. Not again. What's in front?
No!
What's where we're going? Where? No, yeah. Take that away. Is that enough? Like, it was a forest and then it got flooded or something? Oh, that's bad.
I can't see them.
That's really bad. I think we got really well now. Yeah. Back. I go back. Like, pedal back. No. Go backwards. More. Are we out? Yeah. We're really bad spot. Go straight. Okay, slowly now, and check in front of us because it's turn. Let's go through this door. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Oh, sorry. Oh. Careful, he's passing. Stop. Okay, go that way. Go.
Okay. I'm a video. I can do it. I can push it. Okay,
What
that's...
is
Is it
it?
John?
It's already dead, that one.
Oh my
No,
god,
it's moving.
But there's no way that chicken thing can... Was it a cock? Can jump from the floor. Go on the bridge. No, but they're doing parkour over there. So they're jumping over there and then up there.
Come on, I'm taking the video. Go for it.
Yes.
As you can see here, my camera unfortunately got a little bit of humidity inside the lens. One of the previous days I took it with me diving, snorkeling, and I didn't put in the housing. So yeah, it is what it is. The next videos will be fine. Forgive me for the bad quality. No, it's not the quality, it's just you'll have this thing around the lens. But yeah, enjoy the video. So we're here in Krabi. Decided to take a hiking day. Found this dragon nest trail, leads to a viewpoint and some waterfalls and stuff, you know. Yeah, different kind of day. Yesterday I was on a boat all day, and yeah, I didn't feel like being on the beach this morning. It was not my vibe. I'll go later though, and probably swim in some of the pools, river pools this place has. I don't know, waterfalls kind of. Wherever you are, you can hear the water like flowing. It's amazing, very peaceful, except the sound you can hear. Or is it me? I'm not sure. Anyway, so he said it's 2 hours. It looks rocky. Yeah, it's kind of rocky, but steadily uphill, so it's not that bad. For now at least. And then he said it's another hour to get back, so total about 3 hours. I want to stay up there a little bit, and they close at 4, he said, so I don't know, it's like 1:45, so if we do the math as he said, I'm gonna have like 15 minutes up there. But I think I have a good pace, and we will enjoy it. Let's go.
So we made a stop after 45 minutes. It's 1:30 and I've done about a bit more than half, just past the viewpoint. So we're doing good. Let's go! Are you ready? Wow! Fuck, nature here, guys. I don't know, man. It's like Tarzan home. Finally made it. Almost 2. So an hour and 20 minutes maybe. Oh fucking hell. Look at that. Guys, I'm in the middle of the fucking jungle. I hiked all the way down, like sprinted. I don't even know what time it is. It's like 3:45. So yeah, I don't know. I did it really fast. I had a guy next to me trying to like outrun me, but he couldn't. Anyway, I found this place. I'm jumping in. I see some fish inside that like pool, but hope it's gonna be fine, you know? It's gonna be refreshing. Yeah. That was it for this video, guys.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at part 2. Bye.